Yeah, that one's gross.
Take a lot of dedication to get drunk off of this.
Yeah.
Like, you really have to.
If that was the only thing that was to drink, I could drink it.
Which one is this? Smell it.
This is mango.
The more or no?
Blue more. Good morning.
No, it's not.
It's not morning.
Okay, so we went back, checked into hostel, took a nap, took showers, and I think we're well rested.
I slept for an hour.
Yeah, I did.
Power nap.
But yeah, so we're rested. We bought, we reserved spots to do a Lucha Libre tour today with the same walking tour company that took us around today. And so yeah, we're walking over there right now. We're meeting at 6:30, and apparently it's like we're gonna do like a pulque tasting.
It's a pulque tasting.
Pulque.
Yeah, and you get a mask.
You get like a lucha mask, I guess. And you actually get to go to a show. So yeah, so we're actually really excited about it because last time we came here, we didn't get to go. So and it was only 400 pesos. It's about $20 per person, which is not bad. It was like the lady said it's from like 6:30 to 10 p.m. So it's a good amount of time.
It includes the tour, the pulque, the mask, and the admission to the match, the bout. It's the bout.
So the weather's kind of nice.
For now. Tell us about the weather, please, Sarah.
Yes, so the weather, when we arrived this morning, it was so cold. It was like 40, 50 degrees, and I was freezing. So then we went out, started walking, and
Can we go or?
And it started getting.
They're going.
It started. Okay, shit.
I'm just trying to go after this guy.
Damn, I almost got ran over by a bus. Alright.
Okay, so the weather again.
So, alright, so
that was sketchy.
So during the daytime, as we started walking around during our walking tour, the sun started coming out, and then it got hotter. So it was probably around high 60s, low 70s.
It's like 70, mid 70s.
Mid 70s, yeah. So it was hot. So I was in my tank top, whatever. And now it's about almost 6 p.m. now. The sun's down. It's a little windy. I think it's about like 60 something right now. So hopefully tonight won't be too cold. But we've been looking. The lows are like in the 40s. So that's why I have my scarf and my trusty old bubble jacket. So yeah.
I'm excited for Lucha Libre.
Yeah.
It's kind of things we were thinking about doing, and when they saw that they offered that tour, and it's only certain days, so it happens to be today.
Yeah.
We jumped on it to go see it.
And behind us, or across the street over there, there's like a market. Last time we came, I really wanted to go, but we didn't get to go. So this time we're definitely gonna go check that. So yeah, you know, we'll take you guys along on that Lucha Libre tour.
¿Cómo vas, señor Bomba? ¿Cómo vas? 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 ¿Cómo vas, señor Bomba? ¿Cómo vas?
Como el mundo entero, como el mundo entero, como el mundo entero, como el mundo entero.
¿Cómo vas, señor Bomba? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Cómo vas, señor Bomba? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Cómo vas, señor Bomba? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Cómo vas, señor Bomba? ¿Cómo vas?
starting our tour now. And our first stop is at Mariachi Plaza and Pulqueria. So Pulque is like an old, like a 1,500-year-old drink that like the Aztecs would use like for ceremonies, and only like the important people would be able to drink it. So this drink, the Pulque, it's made out of it's from the cactus. It's the like the sap. And instead of distilling it like they do for mezcal or tequila, it's fermented. So it's like this really like syrupy, thick kind of drink. And it's like a kind of funk to it, like a sourness. But the plain one's like really hard. It's like kind of tough to drink. But now to make it more palatable for other people, they make a different flavor. So we have pineapple, mango, we had strawberry. It's pretty good. It takes, after the first sip, to get like used to the texture of it. Once you get past that, it's pretty good. So
Cheers.
So it's time now. We are at the Lucha Libre Coliseum now. Time for some Mexican wrestling. Wow.